Halal Verification Laboratory. The DOST-11 Halal Verification Laboratory was established in support to the implementation of the Republic Act 10817, known as the Philippine Halal Export Development and Promotion Act of 2016. One of the roles of DOST is to make available ISO-accredited testing laboratories. Thus, the implementation of the project, which aims to establish a halal verification laboratory. In 2016, the project team conducted benchmarking activities in halal laboratories in Malaysia and Nestle Quality Assurance Center in Singapore. The project team also participated in several halal and technical trainings in 2016. In 2017, the laboratory had acquired a total of 55 equipment to operationalize the laboratory and launched the DOST-11 Halal Verification Laboratory on November 24, 2017. In 2018, a three-year project was implemented which aimed to operationalize the laboratory. The project team underwent trainings on the operation of equipment and trainings in Dubai for halal testing. On the second year of the project in 2019, the laboratory had accomplished validation of method for porcine DNA detection by RT-PCR and ethanol analysis by gas chromatography. On the same year, the laboratory participated and successfully passed the proficiency test for porcine DNA detection and ethanol analysis, and started to receive samples for the two testing parameters. The project team also participated in trainings and other activities such as halal gelatin testing and food safety workshop, halal competency building, halal S&T program exhibit at the Senate of the Philippines Legacy Hall, and assisted FISLOC for halal and food safety monitoring during the SEA Games 2019. In 2020, the laboratory developed a method for alcohol analysis as part of DOST-11's COVID-19 initiatives and offered the test for alcohol-based and hand sanitizer samples for the detection and quantification of methanol, ethanol, and isopropanol. The laboratory received its ISO IEC 17025:2017 accreditation from DTI Pub for ethanol analysis by gas chromatography and porcine DNA detection by RT-PCR, with 3 approved signatories for halal testing. And recently, the laboratory participated and successfully passed the 2020 proficiency test for ethanol analysis by gas chromatography.